Hey everyone, it's Tina. Okay, this is going to be hard because I have to come clean about some things and I'm not too excited about it because I've been hiding this for probably a lot of my adult life, maybe longer. One thing, if you've noticed in the past couple weeks, is that I've been expressing investment in a certain wrestling character, person, wrestler, Eddie Kingston, and I want to tell people why. Yes, he's a good promo, he's a good wrestler, but that's not really all the reason. He's very relatable, and especially this past week when when he was talking about battling depression and just feeling like you have to fight every single day. And I've been hiding this about myself because I feel I've always been kind of under the impression that no one cares, or they're just going to think that you are trying to be a drama queen or get attention or whatever, and that's not the case. I haven't been doing that great lately. Just getting out of bed and brushing your teeth is sometimes a big struggle, the really bad days. And sometimes you just look at everything and you go, what's the point in all of this? Why should I get up? There's nothing for me to get up for. There's no reason. And there's other things that make me feel that way. But I just haven't admitted it to myself or anyone else. So sorry if this is awkward. One of the reasons why I started this podcast, number one, is because I like wrestling and, I like to talk about it and stuff with people who like talking about it too. But another reason is because it's been giving me an answer to that reason, to that question of what's the point of getting up. And I know our channel's not big, we don't have thousands or millions of followers, we don't get we don't get millions of views on our videos or anything like that, but that really doesn't matter because it's giving me an outlet to be who I am and for Sarah to be who she is. And I think that in itself is a success, and hopefully none of this will damage that like it has in the past. I've gotten a lot of opportunities over the past few years of writing for people or doing certain things in the wrestling community, and then I just kind of sabotage everything because I get really depressed and then hide in my hole and I don't do anything and no one hears from me. So, if you see me, let me back up. I'm trying really hard to be who I am, and that's not always been easy because I've been told my entire life that no one wants to listen to you, no one cares what you say, when I've gotten excited over things before, when I was younger, been told you need to calm down, and so I've really shut myself off, and I come off as uncharismatic and cold sometimes, and I know that reflects on the podcast sometimes, and I'm trying to do better about showing people who I really am. So the reason why I'm such a big fan of what Eddie Kingston is doing right now is because he's being himself unapologetically, and he admits, well, not admits, but he says that he battles these things, and I battle them too, and he gets up every day and he fights, basically. And it's time for me to do more of that, of getting up every day and fighting, and not letting the crippling feelings keep me down. So I don't know if he'll ever see this or not. Probably not, but I want to say that you've inspired me to do that. So Eddie Kingston, if you see this, thank you very much. I'm going to get off of here because you don't want to hear a big depressing spiel for 7 minutes long, but thank you for listening, whoever's watching this. I just needed to get that off my chest.